cylindrical store jars. I start with a pound of clay, about 455 grams of a high iron stoneware to throw the bodies of these. It's thrown as a cylinder with a purposefully thick top to my throwing gauge's pointer, which I've set ahead of time. Once the cylinder is tall enough, I indent that thick rim with a wetted index finger that's pressed in sideways, using the edge of my fingernail to create that sharp right angle. The opening is then measured, and I'll use this same diameter for all the jars I make. This way I don't have to measure each jar individually. I then switch my calipers to measure from the outside. I also add an additional millimetre too. This way, the lids will ultimately be a fraction larger than the opening of the jar. This gives me some wiggle room, as I can always trim them back to fit perfectly, as compared to if they were made to be slightly too small, as trying to make them larger at the leather hard stage is very tricky. These parts are then set aside to turn leather hard, and I'll trim them to fit in my next video.